right, so today we are going to go through the next step. So we have set up in the last video our ClickBank account. So today we are going to select the best product to promote. So once you log in into your account, you are going to click on Marketplace. Okay. Now, once you're on Marketplace, you can select product by categories. Okay. If you have a certain preference in terms of niche, you can go in particular niche, e-business, cooking, business, languages, health and fitness. But I'm going to tell you right now what's working very well on ClickBank right now is health and fitness. But let's see what we have on health and fitness. So by default, ClickBank will classify all the result by popularity. Okay, but we are going to use a metric called gravity. Gravity, in terms of success rate, it means that people are able to make sales with this product. So in the past 2 weeks, at least 14 people have been able to um, make sales with this product. So research the Godzilla of offers. I think they picked the right name because it making sales like crazy. Before, the best product was Leptitox, and you see the gravity here is 533. But keep in mind the fact that the gravity is so high, it means also that the competition is really, really, really fierce. There's a lot of people with a lot of experience promoting that product. They can promote it on social media, paid ads, free traffics, but they are promoting it. So if you choose to promote this product, keep in mind that you will have a lot of competition. So when you select a product on ClickBank to promote, you go on gravity. But if you are beginning with this, it will be hard to make your little place in this jungle because they are fighting a lot to promote this product. But it also means that a lot of people are already seeing it. So it means that if you're using free traffic source to promote that product, it means that probably someone has already seen it. So basically, once to be able to make a purchase, most of the time people don't purchase a product the first time they see it. So um, if you are promoting a really really popular product, it means that someone's all have already seen it, and most likely if they see it three or two times, three times, four times, maybe if you are promoting it, even if it's with free traffics, they will be seeing it the fourth time and they will purchase it with your affiliate link. So if we go over the other offers, as you can see, I went on health and fitness and I classified it on gravity, and you can see research, leptitox, custom diet, diabetes freedom, Halki diabetes remedy, the lost book of remedies. These all of them have 200 points on gravity and up. But you don't have to shoot to promote this product with all these crazy gravity scores. If your product has at least 50 gravity score, you are able to promote it and make money with it. Even with 30, it's fair enough to start promoting a product with 30 of gravity. It means at least 30 people are able to promote that product and they are able to still make money with it. But as I was telling you, uh, health and fitness is the one with the most success rate when it comes to promote product on Clickbank. If I go on marketplace and I don't even select any categories, I'm going to just go over all these results without filtering any category. Right now, I will go over on gravity score, and again, regardless of the category, all the best product with the highest gravity scores are the ones within the health and fitness niche. You see, it's almost the same results as we saw without filtering. The next one, um, with the best gravity score, but that is not in the health and fitness, is 12-minute affiliate system, which is a um, affiliate marketing course. And you see the rest one are numerologists, Ted and woodworking, still making sales, but I wouldn't recommend to go over these uh, like Ted and woodworking. This offer was there forever, and people, I don't even know how they are able to make sales with this product. But one tip I would give you, this is one of my tricks. Listen carefully. This is one of my tricks. Okay? When it comes to promote product, I don't go over the most popular, the crazy one with the highest gravity score. What I do, I go over on date added to marketplace. It means that on which date this product was added on Clickbank to be promoted by affiliate marketers. So all I do, I just reduce the window up to 1 month. So we're on the 5th of May. Now I'm going to put it on the 5th of April. Now I'm going to select it on gravity score. Okay. Now, obviously, within 1 month, most of the time, you won't have 50 people making sales with a product unless this is a huge product like Research of Lefty Talks. By 1 month already, you would have 50 people already making sales. But in this case, with 10 gravity score and up, you can start promoting that product. All I would do, I would go over and make a video and put it on YouTube. It means that there are not a lot of competition on this product. Therefore, if you're creating a video on YouTube for that product, most likely you will rank really fast because YouTube like new videos. And if you are creating a video for this product that was added within 1 month, most likely you will rank fast. And all you have to do is put your affiliate link in the description and you will make sales. You can, if you don't find, for example, all the gratis are 5, 3, sometimes it must a waste of time, more a waste of time more than anything else. If you start promoting stuff like with two gravity, it's a waste of time. You can increase your window maybe to 1 month and a half, for example. You see, Now we have laptop connects, simple Wi-Fi, slim over 55, manifesting wizard. Within 1 month and a half, it's fair enough. You will have even more stuff to promote. You see, you have gravity scores at 15, uh, 32, and this one 47. So that's it, guys. This is how you select the best offer to promote on Clickbank. Don't go over the crazy selling stuff right away if you're a newbie, because you have a lot of experienced marketers that are already promoting this product. So you reduce the window of where they were added on Clickbank, and you select the newest one that are selling. That's my secret method right there, guys. So if you take action and do what I'm telling you on this video, you will make sales. That's it, guys. If you found value on this video, um, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't ever miss one of my videos. On the next video, I'm going to talk about how you can start promoting your Clickbank offers without a website. Okay, so stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I will produce this video really soon. And don't forget to add on your comment below at what time you saw this emoji on the screen, and I'm going to select one guy or one girl within the comments to receive one free access to my new membership site, where you're going to learn a lot of things how to make money online. So that's it. There's nothing much to say. Go and take action and start to make that money on Clickbank.